Hey, what's up, babes? Satirical Math is back, and today we're gonna do a video about, addition and subtraction. So, I'm doing this completely off script, so if there's any long pauses, like absolutely massive pauses, how about you shut up and take your complaints somewhere else, don't put it in my comments, because I'm not gonna read them. I do not read the comments. So anyways, guys, addition and subtraction. It's all about taking what's yours. It's about consuming. And capitalism. That's all there is to it. Everything there is about it. And you know how much I love consumerism and capitalism and fascism. I mean, what? Not fascism. I swear to. But we're gonna be counting bucks today. You know how I love those books. So anyway, you see, how many books are there right here? How many things are we gonna count here today? Yeah, new question. How many things are we gonna count here today? Can you count them? Let's see. 1, 2. No. 1, 2. I can't freaking see. I can't freaking see through this mask, cause I can't see through this one eye where my hair is blocking my freaking field of view, and this other eye, which is only as large as my freaking pupil. So shut up. Anyways, there are, let me see. Okay. Shut up. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, these 5 objects we're going to count are, objects. That means we can count them. They're similar, as in they're objects, as in we all call them objects. Thus, you see, the first rule about adding and subtracting is that you can't subtract, add 5 apples to a banana. You can't do that, at least in, regular, everyday boring arithmetic. In higher echelons of mathematics, you can do that because you can do really anything in the higher parts of mathematics, but shut up. Anyways, you can see right here that there are 1, 2, 3, 4 books in this one weird ass Rubik's Cube I have right here. So if we call all these 5 things objects, see, object 1, object 2, 3, 4, 5, we can add them and subtract them, right way. But if we were to add and subtract books, it means we can't include this one, because this one is not a freaking book, at least depending on your definition. But anyways, first rule of adding is that you put one thing close to the others. Right here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 objects. 3 books, 1 Rubik's Cube. That kind of sounds like 2 girls, 1 cup. But whatever, shut up. 4 objects, and we can add 1 more object. 4 plus 1. Guess what? 4 plus 1 is 5. So I think you can see where this is going. We have 5 objects here in a freaking row. That's what we call it, a row, where it goes horizontally, not vertically. Stupid freaking idiot. Or we can find the evil, edgy, dark wolf coming inside of me twin of addition, which is called subtraction, which you can also do with negative numbers. What we're not going to talk about today, because this video is meant for arithmetic, for these stupid fucking babies. And yeah, so yeah, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know, but we take away one, like this freaking Rubik's cube. Don't solve it right now on video. It's gonna take. Okay, yeah, we take away. You have 5 objects right here. You know. But what the hell? We have this one object right here. We take it away. How many do we have? Count it. I have a gun pointing to your head. I have a gun pointing to your head, you submissive wolf. Now, tell Alpha Male how many objects there are. Yeah, that's right, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We take away one more. How many are there? 3. But the thing is that you can always reverse these. You know, you can add 2, that makes 5. Subtract 2, that makes 3. You add 2, that makes 5. Addition and subtraction work perfectly in reverse as each other as you want. As long as you add the same amount as you subtract, you can always get back to the same number. You can have like I don't know, 3 minus 2 equals 5. And if you add, you do addition, you find out that 3 minus 2 plus 5 equals 5 plus 2. Now we're getting to some, you know, algebra. You know, only this style while jerking off with my algebras, but, you know, 2 minus 2 on the left side of the equation, like 3 minus 2 plus 2. So let's take that 2 minus 2, that's 0. So 3 plus 0 is just 3. Due to like, what was it, like the 0 property of addition? Yeah, 0 property of addition. So we have 3 equals 5 plus 5 minus 2, yes. Yes, 5 minus 2 is going to be equivalent to 3. 3 is equivalent to 3. You die, you freaking idiot, due to the reflexive property of mathematics. So, obviously, we have, let's see, 3 books right here. No, 1, 2, 3. How many books are there? 3. Yeah, 3 books. And how many books are there in this 3 book of rows? 3 books of rows equals 3. So, obviously, you know, that's obviously 3. So, that's obviously the first rule of, you know, arithmetic. Taking what's yours. You take what has been given to you. To obviously reply. Okay, give me a second. Shut up. I'm trying to think. Okay, so I did not take that time to think. I was just zoning out. Shut up. So, anyways, you obviously have, you know, what you love, your friends, your family, your memories, your religion, and all that. But you know, what happens when it's taken away? Huh? You're just gonna stand like that? Like me personally, if I were you, I wouldn't take something like that. So I obviously gotta take what was taken from you. In this case, would be adding what was subtracted from you. Or subtracted what others had from you. It's kind of similar to algebra, you know, with my algebras, you know how I said that one thing in that one satire math video was, I was like, jerking off with my algebras or something, I don't know. Monks will always call me like something like a masturbator, but, you know, cause, I mean, like, me personally, I don't get it. Like, me personally, I'm kind of good at baiting fish, but, you know, I'm just not that good. Anyways, I'm gonna get real with you for a second. What would happen if we take these two and add them onto itself? You get 4. That's called multiplication, baby. The only way, you know, this is where mathematics starts to get satire. I mean, stops getting satire for a second. Are these books even in view? I can't even see anything with this freaking mask on, yo. Like, it just feels when the teacher hands us a freaking packet, yo. My name is Walter White, yo. Anyway, so you take these two and it's multiplication, but you divide them by 2, like what you already had. What do you have? 2 books. Huh? 4 divided by 2 is 2. Just like 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Now don't go around thinking like 4 times 3 is 12. So, wait, yeah, that's true. Yeah, 4 times 3 is 12, and 12 divided by 3 should be 4. And 12 divided by 4 should be 3. Yeah, the math checks out. The math is mathing, yo, because the pants are on, dude. Anyway, it's been a gooning summer. I mean, it's been a gooning good first day of summer break with you. So, Satire Math signing out for another freaking year, or another day, depending on how much energy I feel to make another video. And remember, always make sure your math is satire. Goodbye.